Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Lloyd AC not turning on and simplified troubleshooting process. Number 1. Check the thermostat. Ensure the thermostat is set to cool mode and the temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Verify that the thermostat display is functioning. Replace batteries if necessary. Number 2. Inspect circuit breakers and fuses. Locate your home circuit breaker panel, identify the breaker labeled for the AC unit and ensure it is on the on position. If the breaker has tripped, switch it off and then back on. Check for any blown fuses and replace them if needed. Number 3. Examine the AC unit's power supply. Confirm that the AC unit is properly plugged in. Inspect the power cord for any visible damage. Number 4. Reset the AC unit. Turn off the AC unit and unplug it. Wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Plug the unit back in and turn it on. Thanks for watching.